Hi, this is Sue from She's Wired. Today we're going to talk about a great feature in the Firefox web browser. If you haven't downloaded it for free already, go to firefox.com and get it on your computer. This great feature allows you to take a screenshot of an entire web page. So instead of having to stitch it together with a bunch of pictures, you can take a screenshot of an entire web page with 1 or 2 clicks. Here's how. Launch Firefox from your computer. It can be a Mac or PC, and go to a website you need to take a screen grab of. Look at the top of whatever web page you decided to take a screenshot of, and you'll see the 3 dots to the right of the address. When you click on it, you'll have the ability to click on Take a Screenshot. Click on that. It puts it into a mode that will allow you to save a full page. You'll see that in the upper right corner. Click on it, and the page will pop up, and you'll have a download button. When you click on that, it will download a PDF version of that whole page. Click on the download and it will open up the page as a PDF. So that's how you take a screenshot of an entire web page using Firefox. Do you have a question for She's Wired? Let us know by sending an email to wecanhelp@sheswired.com. We'll be happy to answer you. Have a great day.